Welcome to yet another natural versus unnatural challenge. Same composer, same notes, but radically different playing styles in 3 versions. No names, no visuals, no clues. Just sound and your own ears. Alright, let's go. Here's a great version of the beginning of the Nocturne Opus 48-1 by Frédéric Chopin. The beginning of a profound story told with meaning and great diction, beautifully sung, noble in tone and intention. Here's another version. In this version, the tension wasn't being kept. The sections of the main melody didn't lead to one another naturally. And now the third version. Let me know in a PM or comment what you think about this last version. See you at the next challenge. Thank you and have an amazing day.